On offer today at Maple Lane Equestrian Trailers, we have a Champion Western model with a silver metallic roof and a small Rainer decor. We bring in the Champion Western models with the rear door ramp combination. You can see it set up here as a wing door. It makes a step up into the trailer. I'm just going to bring you around the back so that you can see it can hold that open with this hook on the back. It makes it safe for loading. Here we have two 31-inch wide stalls, and they're a little bit shorter than what the English version is because you want it to better fit the quarter horse, Arab, Pasifino, gaited horses, Icelandics, perfect trailer for them. You have a tinted window, really easy just to push out and open. They're tinted for the horses so that they don't have the sun's glare in their eyes during transit. Hay ring in the roof, a bracket on the top of the saddle cupboard, and the blue-white lighting. Blue lighting is proven to be calming for all mammals, great at night to help stop the glare of the oncoming headlights. Made out of anodized aluminum wall panels and an aluminum floor, built on galvanized steel chassis frame, comes with a cupboard for two saddles, a storage area, bar for hanging things on, multiple hooks in the cupboard and on the door. You have a mirror and a storage net. Lug wrench comes with it to be able to change your spare tire if need be. The Western trailer is perfect for hitting the trails, heading to barrel racing, going to cattle sorting, or just going for lessons. This is the Champion R Western.